Arrive at Port Blair and check in at the hotel. And after freshening up, start the sightseeing with Anthropological Museum and then proceed to Corbin's Cove Beach. In the evening, you'll enjoy the light and sound show at Cellular Jail. On day 2, after breakfast, proceed for a full day cruising towards Ross Island, North Bay and Viper Island. On day 3, in the morning, after breakfast at Port Blair, transfer to Havelock Island and check into the hotel. After that, afternoon visit to Radhanagar Beach and night halt at Havelock. On day 4, visit Elephant Beach by speedboat and do sport activities. Night halt at Havelock Island. On day 5, after breakfast, head for a full day city tour of Port Blair. It will include Cellular Jail, Chotham Sawmill, the oldest and biggest mill in Asia, Forest Museum, Samundrika Science Center, Gandhi Park, Marina Park, Andaman Water Sports Complex, and in the evening you can go for shopping in the local markets. And on the final day, you'll be dropped to Port Blair for return journey with wonderful holiday memories. Discover Andamans with Pebbles Tour N Travels.